need a change? Do you need a rest? Then take a trip around the world. Price, only $900. Hooey, I knew there was a catch to it. I sure would like to travel around the world and back. Let's see what this one says. Would you like to travel, see tropical lands? You can, and it's all free. Well, the price is right. See agent across the street. Well, I'll just do that.
That is absolutely right. It's all free. Just sign right here.
Oh, boy. When do I start?
Ah, I hear your plane coming now. Let's get going. Have a good time. Attention! Take off that silly parachute. Forward, march! Now let's get on with your basic training.
Oh, no. I've been tricked into this, and I'm not staying.
Now, good soldiers don't run away. I forgot to tell you, Woody, but Brutus here helps to enforce the rules. Brutus, meet Woody Woodpecker. Ow!
When I hook onto something solid, I'll pull myself over. Ah, there, I got it.
Now get back to the barracks.
I'll blast a hole through the gate, and I'm on my way. Right on target.
Do you know what's going to happen now? Ouch! I have the building surrounded with landmines. Even a feather will set them off.
A feather? Like this?
Wow, that was close. Brutus, take this feather away.
I'm gonna blow this joint right now. Wowie! I made it! I'm free!
Why did he do that?